Well, Thanksgiving is officially over, which means Christmas season is upon us. Yeah, that means it's time to find some really great Christmas presents for our equestrian friends, our trainers, and people that just love horses. So I came up with a list of 20, yes, 20 different gift ideas for horse lovers that I think any horse lover on your Christmas shopping list this year will love. Hello my equestrian friends, it's me Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to a new video and happy holidays. I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving and Merry Christmas! Just about Christmas time. It's here! And like I said in the beginning, I've got a few ideas for you if you are looking for a great gift for a horse lover on your shopping list this holiday season. So, in no particular order, let's just get to it. So gift idea number one is this personalized 20-ounce travel mug. This thing is awesome, and it has a picture of a horse, obviously, that you can see, a horse head on the travel mug itself, and you can also personalize it. So this would be a great gift for a coworker or someone that loves horses, or you could even put their horse's name on it. That would be kind of fun. Gift idea number two, a galloping horse doormat. Now, when I saw this, I was so excited. This is such a really pretty doormat. I think that any equestrian would love to have at their entryway of their home or tack room or barn. Gift idea number three. How about a pair of equestrian headbands? Now, these headbands come in a set of two. They have multiple colors that you can select from, and they're pretty affordable at $18.99 for the set of two. These things are awesome for putting over your ears, keeping your ears warm, or just even keeping your hair out of your way when you're out working in the barn or playing with your horses. Gift idea number four. How about a beautiful piece of art for your horse lover to hang on the wall? That is pretty awesome. I think this is a beautiful, beautiful piece of art, and it's really affordable. It's less than $50, and it comes pre-stretched and already hung, and it even includes the mounting hardware. So this would be a great gift for someone that likes horses or are looking for a little bit more of an equestrian theme in their decor. And gift idea number five is so much fun. These are Wild Horse Balm bath fizzies or bath bombs, but they're awesome. It is a set of 6 extra large bath bombs or bath fizzies, and they each have a different scent. And included in the bath fizzies, there's actually a surprise in the middle, and it gets all done with its fizzing. There's a little tiny horse inside each of the bath fizzies. And like I said, they come in different scents, so this would be something really nice if your horse lover also enjoys taking baths. Now, gift idea number 6 is so pretty and dainty, and it's just really cute. This is an intertwined English stirrup necklace, and this would be so pretty just to incorporate in your everyday apparel, which will let everybody know that you really are into horses. Gift idea number 7, how about a really fun pair of horse lover socks? Aren't these adorable? These are so cute, and they fit women's size 9 to 13. So this would be a super gift idea, or a stocking stuffer, or just a little thank you gift to your favorite horse person. And gift number 8, if your horse person is really into riding, how about a pair of C4 tall boot socks? Yeah, C4 is the company that makes those really cool belts, but I had no idea that they also make socks. And the socks are awesome. They're created by riders for riders. Like I said, they come in different colors, and I love the words on them, heels down. Not that you're going to be able to see that when they're in your tall boots, but you'll know it's there. And gift idea number 9, if you have somebody that is taking riding lessons or is regularly going to horse shows or is always at the barn, I'm pretty sure they'd really appreciate this equestrian backpack made by Prix. The backpack itself has lots of space for you to put all of your favorite horsey items, And it even comes with a pouch-like front so you can carry your riding helmet, and it even has room for a riding crop. Gift idea number 10. How about some horse PJs for your favorite horse lover? These are adorable. They come in women's sizes. They have small, medium, large, extra large, I think. And they're made with brushed cotton, so they're ultra soft, and these would be adorable and just fun to wear around the house. Gift idea number 11 may not seem like it's really a great gift idea, but if you have someone who spends a lot of time outside, Burt Bees is an excellent product for them. I know, I use Burt Bees all the time. I love this stuff. And this is a Burt Bees travel set. It comes with different Burt Bees products, including a very heavy-duty hand cream, which works great during the winter. And while I'm on the idea of different gift sets, how about a grooming set by Cowboy Magic? This grooming set includes a few of the incredible Cowboy Magic products. The Detangler and Shine. This stuff a little bit goes a long way, and even this size of a bottle, it's gonna last you a long time. And this gift set is less than $15, so that would be a really nice, thoughtful, and affordable gift for you to get your favorite horse person. Now, gift idea 13 is awesome. This is made by Harris & Howard, and I have been blown away with their products. They have some really great products, and they're affordable. And this is a complete grooming set, and they have different grooming sets available. I just really liked this one. I liked the grooming bag, but they range anywhere from 9 pieces to 11-piece sets. And the grooming bag is actually waterproof, so you could actually put water in it, so you could give your horse a bath or wash his legs with water that you're keeping in your grooming tote. Just make sure to dump out the water before you put all the things back in. And gift idea number 14, I think, would be a very thoughtful gift. I would really like this. This is an equestrian themed photo frame, and it has a horse bit that goes all the way around the edges of the frame. It comes in different sizes. They have 4x6, 5x7, and 8x10. This would be a great gift for someone because they put their favorite picture of them and their horse, or a horse show moment, in the photo frame. They look at it, then they'll remember who gave them this incredible gift. And gift idea number 15, if your horse lover is also a fashionista, why not a really cool horse scarf? This scarf is super long, and it comes in different patterns and different colors. And gift idea number 16, this is so pretty. This is a horse mug made by Karma Gifts, and it comes in black and white, and it has a picture of a horse on the front of it. It's a very, very pretty mug, and it has a nice little inspirational saying on the rim of the coffee cup itself. It does come in a box, so it'll make it easy for you to wrap and make really pretty for your horse lover. And this mug is less than $15, so again, something very affordable and thoughtful at the same time. Or if your horse lover is really into jewelry, how about this lucky horseshoe necklace? The necklace comes on a card that has a nice little saying on it, so every time they put this necklace on, they will think of you. Now, this necklace is less than $10, and the company that sells it actually has a lot of other necklaces that you can choose from. They're very affordable at less than $10, and I think it would be a really nice gift. And gift idea number 18, I'm wearing it. I love this t-shirt. If you have an ugly sweater or an ugly sweater contest at work, why not have a horse sweater? I can't call this ugly because it's adorable, and I really, really like it. The t-shirt is actually really nice quality too. Easy to move in. It's very nice. I'm not sure if it's pre-shrunk or not, but I think it's adorable. It's a horse that's wearing a Santa hat, and it has the typical ugly sweater theme across the top and the bottom. And the company that sells this shirt, they have other styles. They have sweatshirts available too. And this t-shirt is less than $15. So I'm really excited to have it. And actually for December, when I do my daily unboxing of the fall equestrian calendar, I'm going to be wearing this. And gift idea number 19 to me is the best invention that I have seen in a long time. You know how people have electric blankets on their bed? Well, what about throw blankets? And I'm sure you've seen these all over the place. So gift idea number 19 is a heated throw blanket. I got mine and I am in love with it. This thing is awesome. When I come in from doing chores in the evening, or if it's cold outside and I come in from riding my horse, I just snuggle up under this thing, turn it on low, and I am warm in no time. I can honestly say this is probably my favorite purchase that I've made in the last 6 months. And I wish someone would have thought of it sooner, but I'm just glad they did because I love mine and I'm sure your favorite equestrian would love it too. And to conclude, we have gift idea number 20, which is an equestrian journal. Now this journal is 100 pages, it's spiral bound, and it'll give your equestrian a chance to write down different things for however long it takes them to get through the 100 pages, but then they can keep it as a memento, as a keepsake, and maybe in the future look back and really remember some really great times. So not only are you giving a great gift, but you're giving a gift that's going to capture some memories for your favorite horse lover. All right, so those are my top 20 gift recommendations for horse lovers and equestrians. Definitely something on there for everyone. I really think that these gift ideas are original. I was super excited when I found all of them and I was like, yeah, that's cool. Oh wait, that's cool too. Oh, look at this. So I just did a little searching on Amazon and I was able to find all of these products. And if any of these products speak to you, you can actually go on Amazon and create a wish list or a holiday gift shopping list and then share that list with your friends and family. And then they can easily get the gifts that you really want for this holiday season. And all of these gifts are very affordable. I think a couple are in the $40 to $50 range. And the only one that was more expensive, or the most expensive on the list that I gave, was the Grand Prix backpack, and that comes in at $109. But the rest of them, very affordable, and I think it'll help you to give a really thoughtful and unique gift for your favorite equestrian this holiday season. So happy shopping, and I'll see you guys again real soon, starting December 1st, when I start opening all of the windows in the FL Equestrian Advent Calendar.